Right, time to move on. Nothing
What about
over,
this way?
There's nothing over there.
Whee! Whee! How long until you can sprint again? It's
It
quite a
takes
long time.
ages.
Yeah.
There's not really that much time. You don't need the critters.
Hey man, they help me win.
They help me with.
Well, I'm trying not to kill him here. But yeah, don't avoid killing enemies because you do get a lot of bolts for it overall. I mean,
I'm slacking on this level.
yeah. Towards the end, well, this level's over now, apart from the boss. But towards the end of the game, like, you'll get 18,000 bolts just for completing the level. And then you'll get 1,800 for each item you win.
Will I win? No.
No.
Oh.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Me.
Ah.
Yeah.
Garmol. Garmol.
I won. What are you talking about?
No,
No.
I won.
What the? It's showing me different things. I won that.
No.
No.
I've got it recorded. I will show you. On my screen, I won.
PS3 is just trying to boost your ego a little.
Move. Oh, we got a checkpoint. Whoa.
By the way, did you guys enjoy the jetpack bit?
Yeah, it was alright.
Yeah.
Why?
I'll ask you again in 5 minutes.
Oh, Wayne can enjoy it, huh?
This one's a bit annoying.
Where's my jetpack?
How do I turn this bloody thing on? Oh shit. Oh, it worked for a second.
More bolts.
I want to drop faster.
Right. Slow down here, slow down. Well, not that slow. Just don't go to the very bottom of the screen. Okay, back up, back up, back up.
Whoa.
Right, slam him, slam him, slam him. Keep slamming him, but stay away from his breath.
Ugh. Ew. He stinks.
Right, you see these big holes on the side where he just came out from?
Yeah.
When we get to them, slow down, because they'll just lunge out at you. Like here, so.
Oh, what? You can't even touch him?
No.
Chris, you're almost dead.
I know. Because apparently I can't touch them.
Oh, you... Screw you guys!
Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay, slam him, slam him. Okay, he's dead.
I'm just slamming the wall. That counts, right?
Yeah, it does a bit. By the way, James, slam those 4 ones above you.
Yeah, I'm not stupid.
Fill up your ammo, guys, because when we get to the bottom, we're going to need it.
I did, but...
Right, let's go. Oh, I thought you guys would fall into it then.
We're not stupid.
Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, I was the only one to go.
Yeah.
Press triangle, James, to speed up a little.
Ooh. It actually saved him as well.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Ow.
I see this hole here. Oh, shit.
Oh, I was thinking about warning you then, Chris, but I was like, no. Unlucky.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now he's just making holes.
Yeah.
Someone's too low. My
It's
God,
me
I'm gonna
and
get
Chris.
killed.
It's me at Lars.
Stop it.
Oh, you sponged that.
Oh.
Chris, get the other one. Chris, fly out, Chris. Up here on the left. Okay, fail. Chris, don't get hit.
Uh-oh.
Don't float up, whatever you do. Come on,
Oops.
come on. Okay, James is
the-
dead.
It kills you in one hit?
Okay, Chris is dead. Don't worry, guys, I got this. Get some bolts while I'm at it since you two are dead.
Don't we respawn?
You will in a minute.
Or not.
No, you will in a second. Don't worry. There we go. See, I got this.
Okay.
I'd say we've all got it. Oh.
I'm dodging these even though I can't
shit.
see anything below me. Through the window, through the window, through the window!
Why am I still
Chris
flying?
is dead. Oh no, you're dead.
It was on the ground. Why was I still on a jetpack?
I have no idea. You had to break through the window. Oh yeah, everyone quit the comm blaster, we'll get a few overloads here. And don't get the ammo until you're fully out.
Yeah, you could have said that before Chris picked it up.
I didn't think about it until Chris picked it up. It'll resupply sooner or later though, it does against bosses.
Oh, what a big mouth you have.
All the better to eat you with. Out to the middle.
Ow.
Slow. Peekaboo.
Come on Chris, shoot!
I am. God damn it.
Boxes for you motherfuckers.
Oh shit, yeah.
When you guys are completely out of ammo, I'll just switch to the Rhino and end the fight.
No, got ammo over here.
Yeah, I said when you're completely out, when that's gone as well. Because we won't kill him with just a comm blaster.
Of course we will. Uh-oh.
I got them.
I shot one bullet and I got the...
I'm out of ammo.
Yeah, Chris, jump onto the little blue thing to the right. Okay, James, you didn't need to.
What did I do that for?
In fact, yeah, Chris is the only one with no ammo. Everyone shoot.
Yeah, we were.
Okay, the ammo's resupplied, Chris. Jump in it.
Yeah, I'm going now.
This is like boosting.
Mm-hmm. Bosses are very good for this bit.
Oh. Ouch.
Oh shit, he did 2 that time?
Oh, what?
Lols. Chris is
He
dead.
killed me.
Yeah.
Can't
Why
even get
me?
you. Can't at the moment. Now I
Oh,
can.
so. Stay on that side, James. Right, everyone spray into him. He'll die now. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, what? Someone revive me.
You're under him.
They landed on me. The little bugs did.
We now need a really big tissue.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was for defeating the Wigwump, the boss.
Come on. I think there's a railway station through here.
Balls. You almost died right at the end.
Right, who's on this one?
Blatantly me. Okay, I won that. You won that.
Sorry, 2 secs.
And you won that. Fuck.
Loner. Choose co-op actions performed.
No, no.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I've got to be. Well, I've got to tone it down a little.
Oh.
No, it's in bed. And
Oh.
the walls here are really thin, and her cot's like right on the other side.